And it is also my privilege to invite our our guest of honor, Shri Anand Pangam ji, to the dais. And please, Honorary Secretary Shashikant sir, if you can help him. And I will truly be grateful to our treasurer, Dr. Amrish Nayak, to escort the IOH National President, Dr. Hitesh Shingala sir. Can we have a round of applause, sir? And now, if I may please request Dr. Abel sir to please escort a special invite for today, Mr. Sanjay Amonkar sir, the Director General of GCCI. And last but not the least, may I please request Dr. Gyandeep, and I will really appreciate if you please escort our Honorable General Secretary of IOH, Dr. Dharmesh Parikh sir. And can we have a round of applause for everyone? Thank you so much, our esteemed dignitaries, for gracing the dais and enhancing the charm of the event with your presence. All right, moving ahead with our program, it's my pleasure to request Mrs. Sweta Malshekar to present a bouquet to our honorable chief guest for today, Dr. Pramod Sawant sir. And can we please have the applause going? May I now request Dr. Parul Malhotra to kindly present a bouquet to our guest of honor, Shri Anand Pangam ji. And can we please have a round of applause, because it's going to be a little task for all of you to just train the muscles of your hands. And I would like to invite Dr. Shine to felicitate our National President, Dr. Hitesh Shingala sir. Can we have a round of applause again? And now I will invite Ms. Adrika to present the bouquet as token of appreciation to our Honorable General Secretary, Dr. Dharmesh Parikh sir. And I'm truly honored. Can we please appreciate if the present of the bouquet to be given to our Director General, Mrs. Sweta Malshekar ma'am, to present, and can we please to Sanjay Amonkar sir, and we please have the round of applause again. To invoke the auspicious beginnings, we now proceed with the ceremonial lighting of the lamp, symbolizing knowledge and enlightenment, and spread the positivity all over. May this light guide us in our continued mission towards occupational health and safety. And thank you so much to all the dignitaries for your time. And now we arrive at the most significant and momentous moment of the evening, the installation of the new Executive Committee of AOH Goa branch for the team 26 to 28. And may I request our President of IOH and also Installation Officer, Dr. Hitesh Shingala sir, to please kindly conduct the ceremony.
Good evening all. Now I will announce the new Executive Committee of AOH Goa branch for the term 2026 to 2028. Now I request Honorable Chief Minister Sri PRAMOD Sawant sir to present the medal upon Dr. Vishwaraj Maleshkar. Sir, please give a big round of applause. Now I will declare the other team members. Vice President Dr. Mridula Pararkat and Dr. Amresh Nayak. Honorary General Secretary Dr. Sasikant Silolkar. Honorary Joint Secretary Dr. Label D. Costa. Treasurer Dr. Rohit Chaudhary.
Yes,
Achha, okay. Vice President.
requesting all the executive committee members to please come back on stage. Dr. Abel, yes.
Dr. Mridula,
Yeah.
Dr. Amresh Nayak,
Dr. Amresh, please.
Dr. Sasikant Silolkar is here. Dr. Labed D. Dr. Costa. Dr. Rohit Chaudhary. Dr. Gyandeep. CCM members are Dr. Sunil Kakodkar, Dr. Vishwaraj Maleshkar, Dr. Lloyd D'Souza, and Dr. Naresh Falde. Now I would like to hand over the mic to Dr. Rohit Chaudhary. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Hitesh sir. All right, so we go for presidential acceptance speech by Dr. Vishwas sir. So I would just like to say this, that some... All right.
A warm good evening to our respected dignitaries present on the days. Our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa. Our guest of honor, Sri Anand Pangam, Chief Inspector of Factories and Boilers. Mr. Sanjay Amonkar, Director General of Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Dr. Hitesh Singala, National President, IOH. And Dr. Dharmesh Parekh, National Secretary, IOH. To all our esteemed guests, invitees, and my dear fellow members and friends in the audience, and members of the press, a warm welcome to you all. I feel extremely delighted and deeply humbled to be entrusted once again with this honor of serving the association as the president for a second tenure. Having been a proud part of the association for over 15 years, I have seen this fraternity grow to a vibrant strength of 150 plus members. During my first tenure, we focused on laying the groundwork, increasing awareness about workplace hazard and fostering a community of practice. However, the landscape of labor is changing. From traditional manufacturing plants in Varna and Kundaim to the rising service sectors and the gig economy, the risks to workers' health are evolving. As we move forward, our mission must evolve from awareness to direct impact on the ground. My focus for this tenure is to bridge the gap between medical expertise and the workplace shop floor. We are shifting from reactive checkups to proactive wellness. My goal is to facilitate comprehensive workplace health screenings, focusing on early detection of lifestyle and occupational diseases. We want to ensure that our workforce remains fit, resilient, and healthy. We are looking forward to strengthening industry ties with the Inspectorate of Factories and Boilers and GCCI who are with us here today. And we aim to demonstrate industry that wellness is not just a statutory cost, but an vital investment in productivity. Integrated health ecosystems will deepen our active collaborations with the Inspectorate of Factories and Boilers, Directorate of Health Services, ESI, Indian Medical Association, Goa Medical College, and Green Triangle Society. We are committed to implementing basic occupational health services with the primary healthcare system, reaching even the smallest industrial units in our state. With this unwavering support of the Central IOH Secretariat, we will continue to organize scientific sessions that will keep our members updated on global best practices. We want our doctors in Goa to be on the forefront of changing trends in occupational medicine, both nationally and internationally. We would take this opportunity to inform that India will be hosting the International Congress on Occupational Health, ICO 2027, at the Geo World Center in Mumbai from 14th to 19th of February 2027. And Goa AOH branch is proudly supporting and partnering with ICO to host this international event. And Goa AOH has declared to give a monetary support of rupees 10 lakhs for ICO. I would also urge our Honorable Chief Minister, sir, to kindly take this opportunity to also help us with government support for this side event. Finally, I would like to thank all my senior members. Your guidance was my foundation for my first tenure, and I look forward to your continued mentorship as we push these new boundaries. To our Honorable Chief Minister, sir, your presence reinforces our shared vision of a healthy Goa and prosperous Goa. We are committed to serving your administration in making Goa a national model for industrial and safety. A second tenure is not a destination for me. It's a commitment to do more, to do better, and reach further. Let us work together to ensure that every worker in Goa returns home just as healthy as they left from work. Jai Hind, Viva Goa.
Thank you so much, Dr. Vishwa, sir. All right, so if the president is the face of our association, we all know the general secretary is the spine. So I now have the privilege to invite Honorable General Secretary Dr. Dharmesh Parikh, sir, to please address the gathering. And can we have the round of applause, please?
Thank you for this. Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. PRAMOD Sawant, Chief Minister of Goa, other dignitaries on the dais, dignitaries of the dais. I would first of all congratulate the entire team of Goa for being there today, Dr. Vishwaraj especially for taking over a second term. So congratulations to the entire team, and we hope that they will do a fabulous job in the years to come as well. As Honorary Secretary of IOH, as well as Organizing Secretary of ICO, I would like to take this opportunity that we are scheduling ICO 2027 in February 2027 for the first time. So it's our first time, and then we have got this bid after 3 unsuccessful attempts. And this is in the first time history of ICO that we are hosting it in 100 years of ICO history. So it's our earnest request to the government of Goa, especially to Chief Minister, Dr. PRAMOD Sawant, that we would like your support because this is for the first time that ICO has been organized in India. This is a special occasion for us. It's an international event where 3,000 plus delegates are expected to come in Mumbai. We'll be having 1,500 plus papers, plenary sessions, semi-plenary sessions. So it's an ideal opportunity to showcase India to the world, what we are doing in the field of occupational health. So earnest request from our side, from IOH, because it's been doing it for the first time. And we request you, and obviously we'll continue to meet you in future as well. So once again, congratulations to the Goa branch, and I will hand over to you.
Thank you so much, Dharmesh, sir. Now to share his wisdom and address the gathering, I now have the privilege to invite our respected Mr. Sanjay Amonkarji, the Director General of GCCI, to the podium to address the gathering and grace the occasion. Thank you so much. Can we have a round of applause again?
Yeah, good evening, respected our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. PRAMOD Sawant, Chief Inspector of Boilers, Mr. Anand Pangam, the other dignitaries on stage, my good friends. Good evening, and I'll take a very short time on this. When we talk about productivity, we discuss machines, markets, but there's one asset that every shop floor we take it for granted, and that's our people. And if they aren't healthy, nothing else works. And that's what is occupational health. It is not just avoiding accidents. The World Health Organization defines this as the promotion and maintenance of physical, mental, and social well-being of workers in all occupations. There are 3 ways to protect them. One is prevention, that is stop illness before it starts, ergonomics, PPE, ventilation, noise control, etc. Second is the protection, guard against hazards, chemicals, heat, dust, and stress. And third is promotion, build wellness, regular health checkups, mental health, hydration, and nutrition. I think today, full day, you all had various sessions on the medical aspect of the occupational health. And why should industry care? because it hits the balance sheet, of course. First is direct costs. Medical bills go up, there's compensation, downtime, hidden cost, absenteeism, low morale, high attrition, poor quality, and of course, opportunity cost. A healthy worker is 20% more productive. A stressed worker make mistakes. Goan industries, pharma, manufacturing, tourism all depend on human skill, and we cannot automate care. A simple thing like eye strain on pole lighting in a packaging line can cause errors worth lakhs of rupees per month. Fix the light, save the money. What can we do today? We don't need a big budget to start. Walk the floor. I would request the employers to spend at least 50 minutes monthly looking for risks, loose wires, poor postures, heat spots. Listen, ask your team, what's that hurts after a shift? Somebody was saying that we are taking blood samples after a shift. Just now I was reading a lecture. So similar thing, what is your effect? What does it affect you at the end of the shift? The body knows before your audit does. Basic checks, annual medical camps, vision plus hearing test, BP sugar screening, mental health, normalized breaks. Stress is also an occupational health. And compliance to culture. Don't do it for the factory inspector. Do it because it's your team. We believe that Goa's growth must be safe growth. Occupational health isn't HR jobs or a legal tick box, it's leadership. And if you want to Vikasit Goa, we need healthy Goans building it. Because a factory can replace a machine, it can never replace the person who runs it. Thank you. Jai Goa. Jai Govantak.
Thank you, Sanjay sir. Since we all know that Chief Minister sir is always busy and serving for our state, so that's why we are truly honored that our Honorable Chief Minister sir has chosen to give us some of his valuable time. May I please request Dr. Pramod Sawant sir to address the gathering with his wisdom, insights, and excellence. And can we please have a round of applause again? Thank you so much.
Association of the Occupational Health Goa, the one-day program of the and installation ceremony of the Association of Occupational Health of Goa. For this function, especially Dr. Hitesh Singhlaji, National President of the Indian Association of the Occupational Health, Mr. Anand Pangam, Chief Inspector of the Factories and Boilers, Dr. Dharmesh, Honorable General Secretary of the IAOH, Dr. Vishwaraj Mashelkar, the newly elected President of the AOH Goa, Dr. Shashikant and Sanjay Amonkar, distinguished members of the medical fraternity, industry representatives, newly appointed office bearers, and all the participants present here today. तुमका सगळ्या जणांक येवकार. मुझे लगता है गोवा के बाहर से भी कुछ यहाँ लोग आए हैं, उन सभी को मैं बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ. A very good evening to all of you. It is indeed a pleasure to be present here today at this important gathering of the Association of the Occupational Health Goa. As you rightly said, so you are organizing, there is an International Commission on the Occupational Health. My best wishes for the program, and definitely the Government of India, the Labour Ministry, and even though the Commerce Ministry is supporting you, in future, whatever the support required from the Government of Goa, we are also with you for that, as you are doing the best work. This event holds even the greatest significance as it begins to conduct ahead of the World Day of the Safety Health at Work, aligning Goa with the global movement that emphasizes safer and healthier workplace. Today's program, which includes the continuous medical education session and the installation of the new AOH Executive Committee for the term 26-28, reflects the strong commitment towards the professional excellence and public well-being. The Association of the Occupational Health Goa branch has played the commendable role in promoting occupational health, industrial safety, and workplace well-being in our state. Through the continuous engagement, training programs, and collaboration with the industry and regulatory authorities, AOH Goa has successfully created the bridge between the medical science and industrial practices. This is extremely important in today's rapid evolving industrial environment. I congratulate the entire team of the AOH Goa for their dedications and contributions. Friends, and when we speak about the development, we often talk about the infrastructure, investment, and growth. But at the center of all the development is one of the important elements, it's our people. A healthy workforce is the foundation of the strong economy. The occupational health entails the preventing risk, ensuring safety, and creating an environment where every worker can perform with the security and confidence. From the factories to office, from the construction site to laboratories, ensuring the safety at the workplace is a shared responsibility. The government of Goa remains fully committed to strengthening the industrial safety framework, ensuring the compliances with the safety standards, promoting the preventive healthcare practices, supporting the training and awareness initiatives. Through the department like the Factories and Boilers Directorate, and we are continuously working to ensure that industries operate with the highest safety standards. We firmly believe that the economic growth must go hand in hand with the workers' welfare. One of the biggest strengths of this platform is the coming together the medical professional, industrial experts, and the government authorities. This collaboration is key to be the building safe, sustainable, and future-ready workplace. I encourage the industry across the Goa to actively engage with the organization like AOH, adopt best practices, and invest in health and safety measures. Because when we invest in the safety, we are investing in the human lives and mainly in the human resource. Preventing the healthcare must becoming a culture. The regular health checkups, early diagnosis, and mental health support and safety working conditions are the essential for the long-term well-being. The CME programs being conducted today is an excellent initiative to upgrade the knowledge, share expertise, and promote awareness among the professionals. To boost the culture of the preventive healthcare Goa, the government of Goa is organizing the various initiatives. Yesterday we launched the Ayurvedic health camp, Health with Ayurveda, and to bring the traditional practices to the forefront, motivating the people to embrace with a healthier lifestyle through the holistic practices. These camps will be held in the various places across Goa, making these facilities accessible to every last person in the state. Prior to this, and we had organized the campaign Check by Doctor that gives the women across the state access for the diagnosis services for their well-being. I'm proud to say that over the 40,000 of the women being benefited from these preventive healthcare initiatives. Today also mark an important moment, and with the installation of the AOH Goa with the Executive Committee for the 26-28, I extend my best wishes to the newly elected team. This is opportunity to strengthen the occupational health services, expand the awareness initiatives, build a stronger partnership with the industry. I am confident that under the leadership of the AOH, will reach even the greater heights. As we move forward, the vision of the Vikasit Goa and Vikasit Bharat, and we must ensure that every workplace is safe, every worker is protected, every industry is responsible. Because true progress is not measured only by the economic terms, but the well-being of our people. Let us all take the pledge today and to make the safety the priority, to make health is a responsibility, and to make the workplace space of dignity and care. Together, with the spirit of the collaboration and commitment, and we can build a Goa that is then prosperous and safe, healthy and inclusive. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Vote of thanks. I would request Dr. Shashikant sir to present.
Now we'll present the mementos to our honorable chief guest and all the other dignitaries on the dais.
I would request Vishwaraj sir to please present the memento to our honorable chief guest, CM sir, Dr. Pramod Sawant sir. Can we please have a round of applause again? I would request Shashikant sir to please present the memento to Anand Pangam ji, Anand Pangam sir. And can we please have a round of applause again? Can I request Dr. Amrish sir to please present to Hitesh Singla sir? And can we please have a round of applause again? Now I request Dr. Abel sir to present the memento to Sanjay Amankar ji. And last but not least, Dr. Gyandeep sir, can you please present the memento to Dharmesh Parikh sir? And can we please have a round of applause one more time? Thank you, everyone. Shashikant sir, vote of thanks, please.
Yeah. Respected Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant ji, all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, it is indeed a moment of great honor and privilege to stand before this august gathering and propose this vote of thanks today. At the outset, I offer our deepest gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister, sir. Sir, your esteemed presence today has elevated this entire event and made it a place of great significance. What makes it even more special is your gracious presence immediately following your birthday yesterday. Despite your immensely demanding responsibilities, you have chosen to be with us today, and that speaks volumes about your commitment to the health and well-being of the workforce of Goa. Sir, your leadership really inspires us and your presence motivates us. I extend my heartfelt thanks to our guest of honor, Sri Anand Pangam ji, sir. Your commitment towards industrial safety and regulatory excellence continues to strengthen the very backbone of our occupational health in our state. Our special thanks to respected Director Sanjay Amankar ji for supporting and strengthening the vital bridge between the individual and the healthcare. I also express our sincere appreciation to the external leadership of IOH, our respected Sir Dr. Dharmesh Parikh and Dr. Hitesh Singla, sir. Thank you, sir, for your guidance and various vision continue to shape and elevate the occupational health practices across the nation. A heartfelt acknowledgement to our dynamic and visionary president of AOH Goa. Sir, your energy, foresight, and relentless effort have been a driving force behind today's event. I also would like to extend my sincere appreciation to all the esteemed speakers, to our academic partners, and no event of this scale would be possible without their support. I like to thank Terminal Banquets for the hospitality. I like to thank my sincere appreciation to all the and every members of organizing team of AOH Goa. And finally, I extend heartfelt thanks to each and every one who are present here today. Your presence has truly made the occasion special. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind.